Good day everyone! My name is Balyara John Lester and I am a second year Bachelor of Elementary Education student. Today, I will share how UNESCO's 4 Pillars of Education guide my life as a learner and a future teacher. These pillars remind me that education not only about school, but about life. Education is guided by 4 pillars: learning to know, learning to do, learning to live together, and learning to be. Let me share how I apply these pillars in my daily life.
Learning to know. Learning to know means understanding a lesson deeply, asking questions, and being curious about new knowledge. It is about training the mind to think and learn continuously. As a second year BE Ed student, I apply this by reading my notes carefully, reviewing my notes after class, and watching educational videos when topics are difficult. I also search for examples and explanations to help me understand better. When I don't understand something, I ask my classmates or instructors instead of staying silent. Learning to do. Learning to do means turning knowledge into action. It focuses on practicing skills, solving problems, and guiding real experiences. I apply this pillar during my reportings, demonstrations, and practice teaching activities. I practice speaking clearly, organizing my ideas, and preparing lesson plans. I also create simple visual aids and activities to improve student engagement. Sometimes, I struggle with giving clear instructions, but instead of giving up, I reflect on my mistake and improve next time. Learning to live together. Learning to live together means building a good relationship, respecting differences, and working peacefully with other peoples. As a student, I experienced this during group activities, projects, and discussions. I listen to my classmates' ideas and respect their opinions even when they are different from mine. I help when someone is confused, and I accept help when I need it. I also practice patience and understanding during misunderstandings. Learning to be. Learning to be focuses on personal growth, values, confidence, and self-discipline. It helps me shape who we are as an individuals. As a future teacher, I am learning to believe in myself even when I feel nervous or unsure. I practice responsibility by submitting my tasks on time and preparing well for classes. I also try to improve my attitude by being respectful, honest, and patient. These 4 pillars of education guide me in becoming a better learner and future teacher. Learning to know strengthens my knowledge. Learning to do improves my skills. And learning to live together teaches me respect and teamwork. And learning to be shape my character and confidence. As a second year BE Ed student, these pillars inspire me to continue learning, improving, and serving others with dedications and heart. As we have seen, the 4 pillars of education guide us in learning, doing, cooperating, and growing as an individuals. In the words of Miss Universe 2018, Catriona Gray, education give an opportunities that stay with you for your life and can help achieve your dreams. Let us remember that education is not just about studying in school. It empowers us, shape our characters, and prepare us to make a difference in our lives and in our communities. Hashtag edukasyon para sa lahat. Hashtag Tignay Ti Adal.